friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Redmi Earbuds S. So this is the new true wireless earphones from Redmi, or rather Xiaomi, under the Redmi branding. So recently we saw the Mi wireless Bluetooth earbuds announced. Now we have the one from Redmi. But unlike the Mi true wireless earphones, these are more of a budget segment. This will be priced below that 3000 rupees price segment in India. Now we're going to do a quick unboxing. We'll show you what's inside. We'll also tell about the sound quality we experienced. And then we'll show you what all comes inside the box package. So this is the box package, and you can see that everything is mentioned here. Redmi Earbuds S, sleek and stylish design, IPX4 sweat and splash proof, up to 12 hours of playback, works with voice assistant, and nothing else mentioned here. It's very small box package included here. Now let's see how this looks. You can see that product name is Redmi Earbuds S, and the pricing is not mentioned here. So let's see how it looks. So let's open the box package. So you get these earbuds here. So this is the earbuds, the Redmi earbuds. Then let's see what else comes inside the box. So we have the manual, and we also get additional ear tips. So there are three sizes, the medium, small and large. So these ear tips are also included. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the earbuds. So now we are done with the unboxing. Let's open this. So this is the Redmi Earbuds S. So let's open it. So once you open it, you can see the two earbuds. Now before going to the pairing part, so the user manual mentions what all is included. So you can see that the charging case, the microphone, the indicator, the multifunction button is on the back. Then you get how to wear it, the charging pins. So press and hold 1 second to pair it, turning off the option. Then multifunction button, press to answer or reject, answer the calls, press and hold to reject the call, play, pause the music, then voice assistant. Then switch between earbuds and devices. During a call, press and hold the multifunction button for 1 second to switch between the earbuds and the phone, especially when you're answering call. That option is also included. Enable or disable gaming mode. That's something which is important because the company claims latency is reduced, and you can see that the latency, you can switch you can press the multifunction button 3 times to enable the gaming mode. So that's something which is quite useful. So these are the options, and you get 300 mAh in the charging case, and each earbuds has 43 mAh. 1.5 hours is the charging time for them, and you can also see the other specifications. Now let's see how to pair it. So we'll just peel off these stickers. So you can see this is the earbuds. So have a closer look. So you can see that what Redmi claims that just take this out and hold for 2 seconds so that the earbuds pair among themselves. So one of the issues we face with some of the earlier TWS earphones is that if you pair one, then the other will not have the sound, and if you pair the second one, the other one will not have sound. So that's one issue. But here what you can do is just take this out, wait for 1 or 2 seconds, and this will pair among themselves, and then you can pair it with your smartphone. Now that's something which is quite good. Now if you look at the weight and the sound quality, the build quality, it looks pretty good. It's a matte finish, and we have the charging port here. Apart from that, there's only the earphones. Other than that, nothing is there. This is the multifunction button. You can tap to play or pause or accept call, double tap to reject. All those things are included, so you can just use that. Now let's wear this in our ears, and I will just show you how it feels. So this feels quite good. Now we have to test it for longer term to see how comfortable it is. Quite often TWS earphones do give ear pain and fatigue when using for quite long time. So we'll have to wear and see for quite some time to see how the experience is. The initial sound quality also looks good. This is more of a budget earphones, so you may not get the stellar sound quality, but still this is quite good. We'll be testing it more for different sound output to see how the experience is. So that's the TWS from Xiaomi. Now the battery is at 12 hours, so we'll also again have to test it to see how good the sound quality and the battery performance is. So we are not sure about the pricing. We'll update once the pricing has been announced. So as of now, we expect this to be around around 2000 or 2500 rupees. So we'll have to wait and see how the pricing is. It looks quite good in terms of the hardware it is being offered, and this has the SBC codec. That's what we have been given info. It's SBC codec in the Redmi earbuds S. So that was the unboxing and hands-on with the Redmi earbuds S. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.